This video is about exact differential equation. The whole solution together is available at the end of the video. Hello everyone. Now we are in question 3 of topic 4, which is exact differential equation. So the question is solve the differential equation. This differential equation we have to perform solving. So firstly we need to make the above equation, which is this equation, in m dx plus n dy form. In order to achieve this form, we firstly separate dx and dy terms. Before separating them, we need to split these terms. Let's split these terms by removing minus in between. Solution. Now let's remove the brackets first. Dx plus 3x power 4 y square dy minus 2xy dx minus x square dy is equals to 0. Now as we need to attain m dx plus n dy form, we need to take dx and dy common. Taking dx and dy common, that is 4x cube y cube. Another dx term is this thing, 2xy of dx, now plus 3x power 4, taking dx common, right? 3x power 4 into y square minus x square into dy is equals to 0. So now we have taken dx and dy terms common. So now we have attained m dx plus n dy form. So now let's perform the exact differential equation process. What was the first step of exact differential equation was? Now taking first step, step 1. Now finding out whether dou m by dou y is equals to or not equals to dou n by dou x. To find this step, we have to find the separate terms firstly. So now let's find dou m by dou y. So for your clarification, I can write this thing. So now let's just compare. Let's take this one as equation 1 and m dx plus n dy as equation 2. Compare both equation 1 and 2. We get m and n value, that is m is equals to 4x cube y cube minus 2xy, and n is equals to 3x power 4 y square minus x square. So now our goal is to find this one. So dou m by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of m. Now simultaneously we need to find this term 2. Dou by dou x of n. N is 3x power 4 y square minus x square. So now partial derivation. So here this term has y. So we need to respect and furtherly proceed for derivating this. Then this also contains y. So we have to do differentiation for this also. So in this also we can find both x and x, x and x. So we do partial differentiation for every term in this and this too. So now let's keep this term in front of this thing, and let's do dou by dou y of y cube, which is nx to the power of n minus 1. So 3 will go here and multiplicate with this 4. That becomes 12 x cube y square. As n minus 1 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this becomes 12 x cube y square. So for this also, now we have to take this term in front of dou by dou y, and dou by dou y of y is nothing but equals to 1. That is 2x into 1, which is simultaneously 2x. Like this we perform this both simultaneously. Now for this also we do follow this formula, which is dou by dou x of x to the power of n is equals to nx to the power of n minus 1. So now let's just keep this term aside and perform this formula for this term. So that initially becomes 4 gets over here and multiplicate with this 3. 4 into 3x cube, as 4 minus 1 is 3. So we are left with 12 x cube y square. The same term we have got here. Then next, same formula we do proceed for this also. X power n, nx to the power of n minus 1, 2x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 2x power of 1 power 1. Writing or not writing 1 doesn't affect. Now here this is dou m by dou y, this is dou n by dou x, and dou m by dou y. As these both terms are same, so what's the step 1 is to find out whether dou m by dou y is equals to or not equals to dou n by dou x. So first step is satisfied. Now step 1 is satisfied, that is dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Now proceeding with step 2, which is the general solution, that is m dx plus integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equals to constant, that is c, nothing but this first part should have y as constant, then this part n, then this part should have the terms which doesn't include x. We have to exclude x, that is. Now we have m as 4x cube y cube minus 2xy, where n is 3x power 4 y square minus x square. So now let's do this thing. Let's find out general solution. So m dx 4x cube y cube minus 2xy into dx plus n dy. So the thing is, we have to remember is terms free of x or free from x. So this contains x and this too contains x. So simply we need to write 0 here. Now the operation is done for the first term. Now let's see. We have to keep y as constant. That is simple. Nothing but keeping y cube as constant here and keeping this y power 1 constant here. So now we do have a basic formula, which is, this is the basic formula of integration. Integration of x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1, which is whole divided by n plus 1 plus c. So now keeping y cube as constant, that is we have to not simplify this y cube, that is keeping y cube aside, should not disturb y cube. So now here 4x cube dx, that is 4 also, as it is constant, we have to not disturb it, but further implication it can be disturbed. Now 3 moves, no, it's integration, right? So 4 can't be disturbed here. Now x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So now x power 4, x power 3 plus 1, which is again furtherly divided by 3 plus 1, minus 2y, as integration of x is now x square divided by 2. Same thing we are following y as constant, keeping y constant as 2 is also constant. We should not disturb this term. Now following x into dx, integration of x dx, x power 1, it's here x power 1, that is x power 1 plus 1, which is divided by 1 plus 1. Now that is again furtherly simplified into x power 4, which is again divided by 4. So now the simple thing, cancellation part. Sorry, it's not the thing which is cancelled. X power 4 y cube minus x square y is equals to c. As the general formula contains after equals to c, we put here equal c. This is the general solution we get. This is our answer. So I hope I have conveyed the concept to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, viewers.